In this video, I'm going to tell you how to do Instagram affiliate marketing for beginners and earn reoccurring commissions doing it. I'll tell you how to use Instagram to make money with affiliate offers, how to get views on short form content, even with 0 followers to start, and how to build income that reoccurs every single month. So stick with me, watch till the end. By the end of the video, you're going to know exactly what to do. Here's the part that nobody tells you. Most programs, when you sign up for an affiliate link, when you sign up for an affiliate program, they give you the link and they don't tell you how to promote it. They don't tell you how to bring traffic to the link. And they just kind of leave you out there on your own and you'll inevitably fail because you don't really know what to do to drive traffic. All right. And when I first started, I thought it would be pretty easy. I had my link, I was ready to go, and I couldn't drive traffic. It was difficult. Now, from there, people say just, post reels. But I didn't really know what to post. Um, and I was kind of just flying in the dark there. People say post good content. Well, they don't define what that good content is, right? Whether it's, filming with a good camera, like providing value. They're so vague about what good content is. And until I really researched the best performing videos, I really didn't know what good content looked like. And ultimately, we're dealing with an algorithm, and you're having to like cater to an algorithm, and you have to understand what the algorithm likes by looking at the best performing content. All right. Now, you've probably been told just to post more, right? So you take that bad content that you're already creating and then you do it even more. But here's why that doesn't work. All right. Eventually, the algorithm kind of sees your channel or your page as low quality and it won't push it to a lot of people. And then some people, like, they don't really understand that you have to post the same topic over and over again. And it gets repetitive. And you would think, people get tired of it, but that's kind of how these things work is the algorithm wants you to stay consistent on your topic. They don't want you bouncing around to different things because they want to know exactly who to push your content to. All right, now here's the part that nobody tells you. Reels and short form content are pushed out to people that do not follow you. Okay? So this is why anyone can reach a large audience starting from zero. When I first started affiliate marketing over a decade ago, these short form platforms didn't exist. You kind of needed a popular blog or um, email list to gain any traction doing affiliate marketing. But now, with the introduction of short form content, if you're able to go viral, it allows very small creators to reach a very large audience. So we have to take advantage of that kind of traffic. All right. So, like I said, you don't need a big following. It does help, of course, but with short form content, you don't need a big following to reach a large audience because those short form videos are being pushed to people who do not follow you. Okay. Like I said, just adding value isn't the deal, right? Like adding value doesn't equate for algorithm liking your posts. Okay. And we'll get into that more in a second here. But you got to make sure when you're posting content that you have a clear point. So you're not only sharing value, but you're getting to a point, right? So you have the hook, you deliver on that hook, and then you give some kind of call to action, right? So, like, we're not optimizing for views, we're optimizing for money. And that's why you have to have a call to action, some kind of call to action in your content. That means you're not just getting the view, but you're also saying, hey, follow plus comment ready, and I'll send you the details, right? Some kind of call to action like that. Whether it's text on the screen or in the caption, you want a call to action. That way people are responding to the post, which does help the algorithm. And number two, you're gaining leads so that you can sell to people. All right. So the algorithm basically prioritizes content that gets people to watch. Okay. They're optimizing for watch time because the more people stay on the platforms, the more ad revenue the platforms make. Okay? It's a very simple equation. That's why it works the way it does. All right? So we have to take advantage of that fact. Okay? If you're on Instagram, for instance, it's optimizing for watch time and saves more than anything else. Obviously, shares and likes are important as well, but you really need people to stick around and watch the video first and foremost. And that's what's really going to get your video pushed out to millions of people. All right. Now, you can do this in several different ways, but what I notice is that, you know, the editing, like the fast cuts and the editing, um, isn't always what the best content is doing, right? It was actually very, very simple, and I share this here at the end of the video, but the best performing videos are actually very low effort. I was, kind of surprised by that. And if the way to gain followers and gain views was to be your most charismatic, show yourself on the screen, and provide immense value, I would tell you to do exactly that. But unfortunately, that's not always the case. Again, because you're playing with the algorithm that just wants watch time. Okay? Now, the next thing you need to consider when you're posting and you're promoting an offer is that offer giving you a one-time payout or is it reoccurring payment? Now, there's very few reoccurring affiliate programs, but I'm going to share with you the best one here in a second. But you really want that reoccurring payment. That way you're not starting over every single month and you don't have to go viral again to recreate the month you just had, right? So like if you have a one-time payout, you have to go viral again and gain a whole new customer base the next month to make the same amount of income, which is very difficult to do. All right. Now, if you're anything like me, you've probably tried several different things. You jumped from offer to offer and you didn't really find one that fits. All right. You've probably been told just to keep grinding, keep posting, and you'll eventually get where you want to go. And then you might have tried, copying big pages, stealing their content, but eventually you might get copyright striked. Instagram is really cracking down on this. All the short form platforms are. You want to kind of stay away from that. You do want to make your own content. You just need to understand the framework that they're using. Okay? Now, if you're with me this far, I want you to take a second, subscribe to this channel. All right, tap the thumbs up and keep watching, and I'll tell you exactly what to do to maximize your affiliate earnings with Instagram. All right? Now, here's the part nobody tells you. When you first start an Instagram account, you need to warm up the account. Okay, so if you just start it same day and you start posting, the algorithm sees you as a bot, right? Again, we're playing to an algorithm. What they're trying to do is weed out the bots, and you need to look human. Okay, so there's a very specific way you have to kind of handle your account when you first start. You have to look human. So there's a very specific list in the first week or month of the account of how to do that. Okay, and it's surprisingly difficult to look human, but I teach you exactly what to do. Okay, I tried to figure this out on my own and I failed many, many times, but now I understand exactly what to do. Okay, so again, it's not as simple as just grind or just take action or just start posting good content. The algorithm needs you to warm up the account and post great content. Okay, now what I suggest you do is you check out Project Profit. I'll leave a link in the description, which is the best affiliate program in the world offering reoccurring commissions. Okay, and it teaches you everything you need to know about warming up the account, the viral video framework, and it also teaches you how to automate everything. All right. So again, basically you're just referring other members to the group, to my school group, and when you sign up, all you do is grab your affiliate link and drive traffic to the link. And again, the group teaches you exactly how to do that, and you earn reoccurring commissions for every member that signs up through your link. Very simple. All right. Now this is for people who are already posting and getting low views. I teach you how to fix that. Or people who want to get into Instagram affiliate marketing as a complete beginner which is not a problem, again, because I teach you exactly what to do. All right? Now, help me blow up on YouTube if you're with me this far. I need you to subscribe, thumbs up the video, share this with somebody else who wants to make money. And the best thing you could do is watch this video 100 times to help me blow up on YouTube. And finally, if you're ready to start making money, click the link in the description below to sign up for Project Profit.